Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dela Zahra. In this video, I would like to do an oral presentation to fulfill my assignment for academic speaking lessons. And the topic of this presentation is students learning strategies for developing speaking ability. In this age of globalization, English has increasingly become the medium in every domain of communication, both in local and global context. English is called the international language and is also the second language of many countries in the world. In Indonesia, English is considered foreign language, for it is a language studied in an environment where it's not the primary means for daily interaction and the use of the language is restricted. Among the four key language skills, speaking is deemed to be the most important skill that must be mastered well on learning new language. For most people, mastering speaking skills is the single most important aspect of learning a foreign language, and success is measured in terms of the ability to carry on a conversation in that language. However, speaking a foreign language is not an easy skill to be mastered by learners. Learners consider speaking as the most difficult skill since it needs great courage as well as preparation to speak well in the new language. Regarding this, Brown 2004, page 172, says speaking has 5 components, namely grammar, vocabulary, comprehension, fluency, and pronunciation. Moreover, in order to be able to speak fluently and correctly, they must have sufficient vocabulary and must be able to arrange their sentences so that they can be understood. If all these things are done well, the students surely will be able to speak well and their listeners will get the message easily. They surely face difficulties that hinder them to be competent at speaking, such as lack vocabulary, poor or unusual pronunciation, and poor grammar. In fact, the time spent by the students to learn these skills is thought to be long enough. The problem is thought not only lie in the methods implemented. Learners tend to blame teachers, conditions, and teaching materials for their lack of success in becoming competent at speaking, whereas possibly the most important reason for their lack of success can be found in themselves. One of the aspects that are involved in the process of developing speaking skills is the language learning strategies used by the learners themselves. This is how the learners learn by themselves. So, the conclusion is many things are considered important in learning new language. There are so many aspects that we need to pay attention to. Moreover, on speaking, because that's one of the way we communicate and to make our partner knows what's on our mind. Alright, that's all of my presentation. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.